to the glory of the most Holy Trinity, for the greater good of the Syro-Malabar Church, and for the pastoral care of the Syro-Malabar faithful, I have today erected 4 new ecclesiastical provinces in the Syro-Malabar Church. Ecclesiastical province of Faridabad, with Archeparchy of Faridabad as metropolitan see, having eparchies of Bijano and Gorakhpur as its suffragans. His Excellency Mar Kuriakos Bharanikulamira is appointed the first Metropolitan Archbishop of the Archeparchy of Faridabad. The Ecclesiastical Province of Ujjain, with the Archeparchy of Ujjain as Metropolitan See, having the eparchies of Sagar, Satana, and Jagadalpur as its suffragans. His Excellency Mar Sebastian Vadakke, MST, is appointed the first Metropolitan Archbishop of the Archeparchy of Ujjain. The Ecclesiastical Province of Kalyan, with the Archeparchy of Kalyan as its metropolitan see, having the eparchies of Chanda and Rajkot as its suffragans. His Excellency Mar Sebastian Vanipurikal is appointed the first Metropolitan Archbishop of the Archeparchy of Kalyan. The Ecclesiastical Province of Shamshabad, with the Archeparchy of Shamshabad as Metropolitan See, having the Eparchy of Adilabad its suffragan. His Excellency Mar Prince Anthony Panengadan is appointed the first Metropolitan Archbishop of the Archeparchy of Shamshabad. And the Eparchy of Hosur is made a suffragan eparchy of the province of Trichur. Praise be to Jesus Christ.